Hey there. So this morning's video, it's for all my snowflakes out there, okay? Let's be very clear. People are going to say things you don't like. People are going to say things about you you don't like. It's just the way the world works. Doesn't mean they're right, but it's just the truth. And we can't sit there and give people all that power and allow what they say to define us. And unfortunately, people do that all day long. They hear something, or they see something on social media that's posted about them, and they freak out, and it sends them into like a complete state of insanity. The fact is, you can't control what other people say, but you can't control how you respond to it. And just because somebody says something clearly doesn't mean it's true. But when we respond to it in a way where we allow it to and get into under our skin and really just permeate our being, it impacts how we behave, how productive we are, how we treat others. It impacts our moods. Don't give your power away. Don't let what other people say have any impact on you. People are allowed to say what they want. That's the beauty of this country, free speech. But just because they say it, we don't have to receive it, and we don't have to believe it. So I know some people are very sensitive about that, but when you get sensitive like that, you're giving away your power. When somebody bullies you and you allow them to continue bullying you, you're just giving that person all your power. When you turn around to that bully and you just walk away or just ignore them and pay them no mind, that's holding on to your power, because they're going to get bored, because they're going to realize they're not getting anywhere with you. So don't be a snowflake. Hold on to your power. Don't let what other people say have any impact whatsoever on how you feel. The only person that can define you or your circumstance is you. Don't let anybody else do it, because once you do that, you've given them total control over your emotions, and that's the worst thing you can do for growth. Have a great day.